Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Journal is installed and enabled, then open it from start. Select or create a notebook so you have a target page. Once the page is ready, choose a pen type, stroke width, and color to suit your note, finer tips for diagrams, thicker for bold notes. Make sure touch or pen input is active if you're using a stylus. While you begin writing, keep strokes deliberate. Journal captures pressure and tilt differently depending on pen settings. Now continue by combining freehand ink with text boxes and built shapes for structure. Use the lasso selection to move, resize, or group related strokes. Once grouped, you can drag entire sections between pages. Add headings with text boxes for searchability and place date or custom tags to make retrieval simple. If you need precision, switch to shape mode to snap perfect lines and circles. Once done, export or copy groups to other notebooks to maintain a clean, searchable archive of your work. Finish by exporting the notebook as a PDF or image when you need to share or archive content. Choose quality and page range before saving. Make sure notebooks are synced to OneDrive or your chosen backup to avoid data loss, and enable autosave if available. If Journal fails to open, repair or reset it through apps and features, reboot and check for driver updates for your pen. If the problem persists, export any accessible pages and reinstall Journal. That often resolves corrupted configuration files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.